In today's world, factories and machines are becoming smarter. This is because of automation, where machines can do tasks with little human help. Two key players in automation are PLCs and servo motors. Think of PLCs as the brains of a machine. They take in information, process it, and tell other parts what to do. Servo motors, on the other hand, are the muscles. They provide precise and powerful movement. Mitsubishi Electric is a leading company that makes both PLCs and servo motors. They're known for their reliability and advanced features, making them popular choices for various industries. From controlling robotic arms on assembly lines to managing conveyor belts in packaging, Mitsubishi PLCs and servo motors are vital for modern industrial automation. Mitsubishi Electric offers a range of PLCs to suit different automation needs. Some popular series include the FX series, the Q series, and the L series. The FX series is known for its compact size and affordability, making it ideal for smaller automation tasks. For larger and more complex applications, the Q series provides high-speed processing and advanced communication capabilities. The L series strikes a balance between the two, offering a versatile option for a wide range of projects. To program these PLCs, engineers use specialized software like GX Works2 and GX Works3. These software tools provide a user-friendly interface for creating and debugging PLC programs. Servo motors are known for their ability to provide precise and controlled movement. Mitsubishi's B-type servo motors, such as the MRGE, MRJ4, and MRE series, are no exception. These servo motors are designed for applications requiring high speed and accuracy. Imagine a robotic arm that needs to place tiny electronic components on a circuit board with pinpoint precision. That's where Mitsubishi servo motors shine. Their advanced features, such as high-resolution encoders and sophisticated control algorithms, allow for smooth and accurate motion control, essential for many industrial tasks. Mitsubishi PLCs and servo motors work seamlessly together in various industrial applications. In manufacturing, they control robotic arms for assembly, welding, and painting. In packaging, they manage conveyor systems, filling machines, and labeling equipment. These components are also crucial for other industries, such as printing, textiles, and machine tools. The ability to control speed, position, and torque precisely makes Mitsubishi PLCs and servo motors indispensable for tasks that demand high accuracy and repeatability.